Nuche, Paradise. 2 songs, Tell You Something, Nosferatu. Obviously, he was trying to stomp on Blood's release. So let's see what the vibes is. Why does this remind me of the Krusty Krab? Okay. He's and Q's that vibe for sure. Holy, this is loud. He does sound like Fago. He does. Also, this guy's versatility is crazy. We keep saying it every single time he drops. It's crazy. Always sounds different. That land. This is interesting. I like this. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Cool cover too. I could see the rest in Vase V1. I see what you're saying. Yeah, Che ain't satanic anymore. I like that. This dude Che's very talented, bro. It's crazy. He always just comes completely different. When you think you could box in Che, he completely just tears down that box. Okay, let's see this. CXO and Rock. I like this beat a lot. Ella mia. I just did my cup for me and love me. I'm loving this direction, Che. And my cup. I don't know what he's saying, but it's hard. Okay. I'm rocking with this. It seems like the distortion wave is coming to an end. It really does. Osama-san ain't on that. Che's not on that. Holy. I'm really rocking with this new Che swag he got going on. And like I said, this dude Che's versatility is insane because, like I said, you think you could put him on a box, you think you can categorize him, and he will just completely do the opposite as to what you're thinking, which I feel like you just have to respect. Even if you don't like the music, like y'all know, I was not a big fan of that whole distortion, insane, ear-piercing type sound, but I absolutely love Say So Says. I'm really enjoying this new super high. It very much sounds like Fago. It does, but I'm rocking with it. It is loud, but I like his voice. The beats are very I rock with it, bro. I rock with it, bro. Shout out Che. He went 2 for 2.